Hi guys, it's me again, Tony Liu, and today I would like actually to make this short video and to share a little bit about how most of the fund managers that they trade their stock by using all we call is momentum trading strategies. Okay, so when we come to talk about the momentum trading, we cannot run away by talking about the fathers of momentum tradings. Okay, so who is the fathers for momentum trading? Who is actually using this strategy and using perfectly fine and very effectively, and right now he's making a lot of money? Who is that guy? Then you cannot run away by talking this guy, which is the Richard Dreyfuss. Okay, Richard Dreyfuss is one of the very famous momentum traders, which is the fund manager. Under his management, asset management right now, just for information, is nearly 10.9 billions that under his management right now. So what did he do? Actually, he's actually applying the momentum trading strategies. Okay, so when we talk about momentum trading, for most of the fund managers that use this strategy, then we cannot run away by talking about that. Separate the meanings for momentum and another is trading. So what does it mean for trading? What does it mean for momentum? Okay, so when it comes to talk about momentum trading, there are literally many ways and many methodologies that apply by most of the fund managers around the world, okay, from around the world. So in my understandings, when I apply these strategies in my stock investing for around 11 years, so I can say that I'm very lucky because I get to know this guy's Richard Dreyfuss. His strategies is very effectively used, and he normally, when he comes to tradings, right, he will look at those figures which we call the sales growth and the revenue growth, and if they have a certain spike or certain jump on the revenue itself in certain company or particular company, and Richard Dreyfuss will very like it, and he will actually go for this stock and analyze it, and if really worth it for tradings, and he will just pump in the fund and just go to right on the trend. Okay, so what's the difference between the momentum traders and the other traders? Okay, when we come to trading in stock, that is two different directions, am I right? We can long it, we can short it by using the CFD, or we can use the normal way by stock investing, which is just hoping that the price will appreciate from one level to another, which is the higher prices. Okay, so today I would like to share a little bit about how the Richard Dreyfuss using the momentum trading strategies, and right now I will actually share with you which is number one, the words which is called momentum. And in the momentum is, if a company suddenly that we see that's a profit jump, spike in the revenue or earning, or even the company's sales suddenly spike, and you have to really very carefully and watch out this stock, because that is a tremendous good opportunities approaching us, and we should actually take up this stock and put it in our portfolio and wait the right time to get it. This is number one. We could talk about momentum, okay, in the fundamental perspective. And in the technical perspective first, if we actually see a consolidations, a downtrend or uptrend followed by a consolidations, and suddenly he break up the resistance point followed by the fundamentals, which is just now we have mentioned, this which is the sales have growth and the revenue suddenly spike up, and that will be so-called the indication and the signal to tell us that the stock we're going to spike very soon. So watch out, and this will be a golden opportunity for us to make money. Okay, so talk about trading. What is trading? Okay, investing and trading, there's different words. Okay, investing, I'll talk about investing in one of my video, which is under WCT Worldwide Trading in my YouTube channel. Okay, you just key in WCT Worldwide and you look for those the tortoise investing methodology, but I actually speak in Mandarin, but it's alright because I would like to use it bilingual so that all the people will benefit and learn the right way to how to apply the investing methodology in stock. Okay, so during that sections, right, I've mentioned about value investing, so I won't touch it today. Today, the major concern is I would like to share about how Richard Dreyfuss is using for those we call momentum trading. So just now we talk about momentum. Now we want to talk about tradings. Okay, what does it mean for trading? Trading means we are going for a short period of time to gain the market and get out of the market very soon. Just take an example. If today we buy a share that is worth perhaps is $1, and just within a week or maybe intraday, then we sell it away with perhaps the 5 to 10% profit. Then that is called trading. Okay, so trading also divided into many categories. There are literally many ways, and essentially I can say there's one of the most famous way which is Richard Dreyfuss is using is momentum trading. Okay, so I won't talk about what is trading in George Soros way, because today is not my sharing is not focused on that type. So I focus on this the Richard Dreyfuss way. So he actually will be focusing on those stock which is having a short-term spike in the revenue or what also, and the chart itself is showing the indication of the short-term strength, very strong. The trend is coming in. Okay, so you will look at the strength of the trend itself. If the strength is very high, then you will go in. Okay, so this is one of the methodology how Richard Dreyfuss is using, and I will be sharing it into my upcoming sharing section as well. So if you happens to be in KL or you happens to be in JB, Johor Bahru or Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, then you have to actually watch out my my sharing, and perhaps you can add me as on my personal Facebook, which is Tony Lim, TonyLimVis, Value Investing in Stock, which is called Tony Lim VIS @gmail.com. Then you can find me. And in my this personal website, I always actually updated about the date and the time when and where I will be sharing the sections for how to trade in stock or even invest in stock by using the new evolutions of value investing formula. And right now, the Richard Dreyfuss is one of the very famous traders by using the momentum trading, who actually under his asset management right now is 10.9 billion, which I has mentioned. And he always believed that if the stock will be able to go high and spike to a higher level, and it will continuously go up for another level, and it's continuously go for the second level, and after that you will retrace in a certain period of time, it will reduce the strength. So this is one of the way that Richard Dreyfuss is using. So like if we talk about the value investing, is we are buying low and selling high, am I right? So for Richard Dreyfuss, his momentum trading methodology is higher high, it could be moved even higher. So because of the spike, the sudden spike into those company profit, the earnings, the sales that I have mentioned. So because of that, we have to actually putting our focus, if we use the momentum trading, into those stocks that have what? Number one, the revenue suddenly got improvement and spike. Number two, which is talk about the sales suddenly spike, and number three, we talk about the technical itself suddenly spike. This is actually the opportunity and golden opportunity we can make money. Alright, so I hope that my sharing will bring some benefit to you and increase some value in your stock investing, and to help you to make some money in the future's time. And we have opportunity, I can see you again in my upcoming sharing. So I hope that my sharing will be benefit to you. And if you are first time actually listen to my sharing, you can go to my website, which is TonyLimST.com, which is TonyLimST.com. So you can find more about me, and I hope that I can share with you more in the upcoming sharing sections and also my upcoming videos recording. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.